Hello guys, you're probably watching this video because you've typed in, I have no heating and hot water on a Vaillant, what do I do? Now, a very common problem is you'll come up to your boiler and it'll be saying something like this. Low pressure, safety switch off. So this is what you need to do. Under the boiler, on some Vaillant models, you'll have, don't worry about all of this, don't panic about all this pipe work. Don't get scared, it's fine. All we're interested in is these two little guys. So, make this a bit clearer. That one says closed, that one says closed, and that one says closed. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn one on. Doesn't matter what one you turn on. You're gonna turn it and it goes one way. And then with this one, we're gonna put a hand here, get it ready. Hear that? It's coming on. What we're gonna do, hold our hand here. We're gonna come up to our little screen. We're gonna press a button to light up the thing. And what we're gonna do, as you heard, I've just turned that on. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna keep an eye. See them two dotted lines there? There's like a minimum and a maximum, sorry. So we're gonna top this pressure right up. As you can see, it's slowly creeping up. After about 0.8, it goes away, the little F22, and it reverts back to it, but we're going to keep an eye on it. We want it in the middle of them dotted lines. So if we watch that, so a little bit more. Right, that's about there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that off, and then we're not going to forget this side. So we're going to turn that off as well. Okay, so it's done. And that's it. You've successfully topped up the pressure on your boiler. So the analogy I like to use on a central heating system is that your central heating system is like a car tyre. So all you've done is you've almost stuck some air in the tyre and filled it back up again. So with a lot of central heating systems, even like over long periods of time over the summer, you might not have it on. Like a car tyre, it might not have a hole in it, but it just loses its pressure. So that's what you need to do to top it up. I hope that helps, guys, and being a true YouTuber. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.